My name is Adam. I'm studying automotive engineering. I'm in second year right now. I don't really have much of a background. I suppose fixing my mum's car is as much as I have, really. I've sort of been, looking at things online and on TV, but never really got too deep into it until I came to university. I was looking to get more involved in second year than I did in first year, and well, this seemed like a really good thing that would both work well with my course and keep me busy. I'm always happy to get some hands-on experience, and there's a lot of opportunities to do that, so that's probably my favourite thing. It's mostly just about balancing time, figuring out when to focus on what thing. There's always some difficulties with it, especially with a second year being harder than first year, but I think I've got a decent way of managing it. Engineering is all about solving problems, and with motorsport there's problems to solve. You still sometimes have to think of some creative solutions. It's all about working with what we have available at the time and looking for solutions. Yeah, I think it has helped me improve communication more than anything else, really, because I'm not really very good at communication, never have been, and there's a lot of opportunities to improve with the rally team. I think it's good working in this team because there's nice systems in place for dealing with stuff. Like there's always jobs on the whiteboard, and so there's always some way of figuring out what needs to be done. I hadn't really put much thought into motorsport before this, but well, I'm definitely open to it now. And also this might be a way to get a bit of a stepping stone into it for easier access to motorsport. Well, I definitely recommend it. It's a lot of fun, and you don't really need that much of a background to get into it. So don't be scared.